Hello guys, my name is Tanmay Jadhav and you are watching my YouTube channel. So today in this lecture we are going to study about the fun they had and it's part 1. So let's start today's session. Before you read, the story we shall read is set in the future when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? See, the story which we are going to study now, this story, the fun they had, is set in the future. This story is not about past, not about present. This story is set in the future when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps or will may not be exist in the future. Then how will children study then? On your screen, you all are able to see one picture. This picture is of schools of the future. See, here one boy is learning through computers. Second is of virtual classroom. Third, robotic teacher. And fourth, moving e-text. After seeing this picture, we can just imagine how will be the schools of the future. Now let's begin with the chapter. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. Now Margie is the name of one character here. She is a girl. She even wrote about it that night in her diary. Now what is diary writing? In the whole day, the thing which is very important for you or something you are never going to forget, that thing you always make a note of it inside your diary. Similarly, Margie also write very exciting things inside her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157 means after 136 years or 136 years ahead. She wrote, today Tommy found a real book. Now Tommy is the second character here. He is a boy. Margie wrote in her diary that today Tommy found a real book. Now what is real book? For us, real book means the book which is in our hand, means from which we are studying. Yes, that is real book for us. But for Margie and Tommy, it is a very big thing that they find a real book. Today Tommy found a real book. It is a very big thing because after 136 years, there are 100% chances that no real book will exist. Everything will be online only. So that's why Margie writes in her diary that today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book and that real book which Tommy found was very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. And then Margie's grandfather once said to Margie that when he was a little boy, when grandfather was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all books or all stories were printed on papers and now also everything is printed on paper only. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly and then they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. Crinkly meaning is with many folds or lines. And yes, definitely that pages will be yellow and crinkly because that book was very old. And it was awfully funny to read words. And both Margie and Tommy were finding it very funny to read that words. Why? Because that words stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. You know. See, on a screen they were finding that words are moving, but on a printed papers that words are in the fixed position only. That's why they are finding it very funny to read the words that stood still, instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. And then they turned back to the page and then they turned back to the page before. It had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. And when they turned back to the page before, that first page was having the same words on it that it had on it when they read it the first time. Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. Now Tommy is finding it as a waste of time. Why? Because when you are through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. Now Tom is saying to Margie that when you are through with the book, means when you are reading any book or when you are completing any book, after completion or after reading, you just throw it away. Our television screen must have had millions of books on it and it's good for plenty more. And now Tom is saying that our television screen must have millions of books in it and we can't even throw it away. I wouldn't throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. Now Margie also replied to Tommy that yes, same with mine. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many as telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Now here we came to know both age. Margie's age is 11 years old and Tommy's age is 13 years old. She said, "Where did you find it?" Now Margie asked to Tommy that, "Where did you find that book?" "In my house," he pointed without looking because he was busy reading. Then Tommy just replied that, "In my house," because he was busy in that reading the book. In the attic. Now what is attic? Attic is the space just below the roof used as a storeroom. What is attic? Attic is the space just below the roof used as a storeroom. Then Margie asked one more question that what's it about? Means what is there inside that real book? Then Tommy replied, it's all about the school. So thank you so much guys for watching today's lecture. I really hope you have understand first and second paragraph of the fun they had. So have a great day ahead and bye.